Okay, I'm going to show you quick and easy how to get a QR code for review generation directly from your Google Business profile. It's quick and painless. You don't have to use any third-party tools, anything like that. All you do, search your business name. If you can't find it, search My Business or business name, city, state, or Google Business Profile and log in. Once you do, you're going to see your profile here on the right. And then all you need to do is scroll down and you're going to see this review section. Click right here on Get Reviews, and it's going to give you a review link that you can copy and paste and text or put in your emails. Then you're going to get a review QR code here. Now, hang on. What you need to do to be able to use this is next. You're going to see, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more great Google Business Profile tips. But just right click and select Save as Image, and then you can download it. So I'm going to right click, Save Image As, and then I'm going to put QR code for Google Reviews. I'm going to save it. Now, if you make a postcard, something in Canva, a mailer, anything like that, now you've got your QR code that when it opens up, I'm going to show you this. When it opens up, it'll go to the same link. It's going to open it up right into somebody to leave a Google review, just like that, right? All they have to do is scan that from a physical place and it opens up for a Google review. All right. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, leave a comment if you're having issues, and stay tuned. Check out these other great videos to improve the SEO and visibility of your Google business profile in Google Maps and search to get you more customers. Catch you in the next video.